Okay, this video is over emotional ABCs, and this is a website that it is free for educators. I am still doing a lot of learning with this one because I'm still playing around with it quite a bit. But you will create your account. It makes you verify it through your school website. And then when you get on, you select your grade level. So obviously mine over here, it says kindergarten. And if you go under lesson list, which is where I was. It has units and it walks you through and it pretty much lays out exactly for you different lessons that you can do with them based on all sorts of emotional, social emotional things. So for my kindergartners to start with this for feelings, and we have feelings, what they are, how they change, all of that, it breaks it down and it gives you the lessons. There's videos, there's like different activities that go with it, videos, again, just really, really cool. Perfect for that social emotional piece. That was a goal I made for myself at the beginning of the school year, was to have more of the social emotional learning that I'm teaching them in my classroom. So I've really enjoyed playing around with this so far because it's really another great tool to have in my toolbox to be able to help them. Our counselor comes, but it's only once a week, and with different things coming up, that's not always consistent. So this gives me the opportunity to kind of help fill those spots. But it's really easy once you create it. It, like as you can see here, it just walks you through it, and it just has them all here. And it breaks it down really easily for you. There's the videos, they're not long at all. They're only a few minutes long to show the class, and then it even like will show you the discussion pieces to have with them, and just all of the different opportunities. So there's over here, if you go to the teacher area, it has like the teacher guide, the curriculum, the workshops, and all of that they have there. So like workshop 1, then this is where it would like break it down for you. So this would be focused on self-awareness and identifying emotions, and it has everything here. Video clips, the way to do it, the connections, and I think this is cool how it connects them into standards to also make that connection with the Common Core, tying it back into also um, learning and education. So if you were to get some questions about it, you could also be able to tie it back in to an educational piece, even though this on its own, in my opinion, is an incredibly important piece of them to have for their education. So this is my third one, and this was Emotional ABCs. It's just really cool, and it's just really user friendly and so easy for us teachers to just be able to just go in, do a quick lesson on it, and then just keep on going. Like you could easily do a lesson a day, and because it really does not take up much time. This falls under the ISTE standards of 2B and 2C.